one of our users in the UK works primarily with trees, and he's created a plant schedule that you see here, and the plant schedule consists primarily of trees, but there are some other species there. And although the custom plant schedule generator can do something like this, he wants to have better control and sort the taller trees from the medium trees and eliminate some of the other species that are in here, the perennials and so on, and wants some help. The way to do that is to go to gCADPlus. The schedule's been drawn, so we can extract the plant schedule, click it, and if I go to the desktop, I've put it in a file called plant list, and I'll save that list now. That is a CSV file, a text file that can be opened up in Excel. Once we're in Excel, we can adjust and play around with the order of species in the list. Let me just swing to the ISO A1 sheet, and I'll come in here, and you may be able to see what we've done. We've sorted so that all the tall trees are at the top, then the medium trees, and those elements in the design, which were perennials and so on, have been eliminated simply by hiding that particular row. So you can certainly manipulate things very, very easily in the Excel environment, and then bring the image back in. Just print to a cute PDF or a PDF file, and then turn that PDF into an image, and then just paste it back into, in this case, a layout space. And I'll put some examples of the species that are used here on that layout sheet. So what I'll do now is print this to a PDF file, and you'll see the result. The text in here, although it looks a little bit coarse at the moment, shows up quite nicely in a PDF print. Well, here is the resultant PDF file printed from that design from layout space. On the right at the top here is the newly sorted plant schedule and some examples of trees used in the design. And I think if we zoom in, you'll pick that the resolution is high, and that I hope has answered that particular user's question.